Today, I'm going to show you how to check active sessions on Cursor AI in just a few simple steps. This is really useful if you want to see where your account is signed in, keep an eye on your security, or make sure no unwanted devices are connected to your profile. If you use Cursor AI regularly, this is one of those quick account checks that can give you a lot of peace of mind. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Now let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to the Cursor AI website. Once the page loads, log in using your account details. Make sure you sign in with the same account you normally use for Cursor AI so you can access your personal dashboard and account settings. After you're logged in, look for the dashboard option and click it. This should take you into your main account area where you can manage your Cursor AI settings and preferences. From there, find and click on Settings. The settings area is where Cursor keeps most of the important account controls, so this is the section you'll want to open next. Once you're inside settings, scroll down slowly until you see the active session section. Depending on the layout and updates to the interface, you may need to scroll a little bit to find it, but it should be listed within the account or security related settings. In the active sessions section, you'll be able to review the devices or browser sessions currently connected to your Cursor AI account. This is where you can check whether your account is logged in on another device, another browser, or a session you no longer recognize. If everything looks normal, then you're good to go. But if you spot anything suspicious, this is the moment to take action and secure your account. Checking active sessions regularly is a smart habit, especially if you log in from multiple devices or share a computer with other users. It only takes a minute, but it can help protect your account and keep your workspace safe. So to recap, you go to the Cursor AI website, log in, click Dashboard, open Settings, and then scroll down to the Active Sessions section. That's how you quickly check where your Cursor AI account is active. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.